Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to enable Eye Comfort Shield in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To turn our Eye Comfort Shield on, we have to go to Settings. Then we're looking for Display Options right here. And here we have, yes, Eye Comfort Shield. To turn it on, we simply check this little box and our screen is a little more comfortable for our eyes. To customize this little mode, we can use adaptive, or here is custom. We can change the temperature of our screen if we want, or we can set up a schedule. But let's just adjust the temperature and leave it as it is. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.